हाय, AdWords in हिंदी की नई वीडियो सीरीज नीड टू नो में आपका स्वागत है. In this video, we will be discussing some of the most common mistakes with AdWords text and image ads and how you can fix them so as to ensure that your ads are serving without any hiccups. We ensure that each of your AdWords ad gets reviewed on various parameters before being shown to potential users. In other words, it is compliant with all our advertising policies. The most common errors fall into three categories. Number 1 will be image quality, number 2 being mistakes with your ad's text, and finally, mistakes with your ad's URL. Let's start with your ad's image quality. We do not allow images that are sideways, upside down, or that don't take up an entire space of the chosen image. Strobing, flashing, or otherwise distracting images are also not allowed as they don't provide a seamless experience to the user. We also do not allow images that are blurry, unclear, unrecognizable, or those that contain illegible text or ones that expand beyond the frame or otherwise encroach on the website or app. Next, let us discuss your ad's text. First, make sure not to use excessive or gimmicky capitalization. For example, do not use all capitals in your text ad or capitalize letters within a word. We want your ads to stand out for the right reasons, like your great products or deals, not because your ads look unprofessional or gimmicky. You will also want to look out for excessive punctuations and symbols. AdWords can disapprove ads with multiple exclamation points, an exclamation point in your ad's headline, repeated punctuation or symbols, non-standard symbols like bullets and vertical lines, symbols or characters that don't match their true meaning, like using @ symbol next to the word home to mean at home. Another thing to check for is spacing. Make sure that there aren't any extra spaces between letters or words in your ad's text. Next, make sure that you don't include any phone numbers in your ad's headline or description. Instead, use call extensions or call-only ads to include a prominent phone number in your ad. Finally, your ad's text should be clear and accurately describe what you're selling. For example, your ad can be disapproved if it uses gibberish or random letters, or if your ad's text and URL don't match. Like an ad that sells shoes and that uses the URL www.google.com. Now let us talk about common mistakes with your ad's URL. Make sure that the display URL, that is the URL that people see in your ad, isn't mistyped or doesn't include HTTP or HTTPS, and also does not use any non-standard characters like exclamation points. Another common disapproval reason has to do with your ad's URL domain. Every website has a domain. For example, the google.com in google.com/AdWords. In AdWords, all ads within the same ad group need to have the same domain. Also, the domains in your ad's display URL, final URL, and landing page URL need to have the same domain. Basically, the website listed in your ads need to accurately show which website people will be taken to when they click on your ads. Let us now go over an example of the policies that we've talked about. For example, let's look at this ad. So, Rita wrote this ad for her flower shop, but it got disapproved. Let's see why. She needs to fix a few things here. First would be removing unnecessary spacing in the word brownies. Secondly, she needs to give the correct URL for her landing page. Thirdly, she needs to remove capitalization for buy them. And lastly, she needs to replace the @ sign with @. I hope this example helped you understand things better. You can post your questions in the comment section below. To know more, refer to the links mentioned in the description. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated with more such content. Thank you.